Well, we're back. Yesterday, no video, no car. Not much happened yesterday, just a regular rest day. A lot of classes though yesterday, which was alright, I guess. Yeah, no problemo. Rest day. Today, back and shoulders. Back and shoulders. I've been liking lat pull downs, seated rows, single arm rows, and then finishing off with lat pullovers. That's really good. I would usually say that 7 sets is enough, but something for like the back, since it's a like large muscle group, or I should say composing of multiple different muscles, I would give it like at least 10. Let me see. I do 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 10. 10 sets is good. 10 sets is good. I'm tired as all hell though. Woo! Had good sleep last night, just not enough. You feel me? Well, fine, I guess. Weekend's coming up. Oh my god, what is this guy doing? Weekend's coming up. Gonna repay the sleep debt. If you know, you know. What is this guy doing? Go! Tomorrow, I'll keep it for tomorrow's video. I forgot what day it is. I think it's day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Today's day 7. Kind of crazy already on day 7, eh? Day 7. I do plan on adding more things to these videos. Maybe like the day in a life or my workouts in the video. But I'm just too lazy to edit. I'm too lazy to edit. You know, I gotta compile all the videos, put it into Adobe, and then cut, do that, render. Be lazy, but I will do it over the holiday. Just you wait, I will. Let's see what else. I'm kind of screwed today, not gonna lie. Got a quiz, didn't study. GG lah, kata gua. Video over. It's Jehovah. What else? That's about it really. I don't really have much else to talk about. Nothing really coming to mind. Yeah, that's about it. Well, I guess I'll see you tomorrow.